What's up, everybody? This is the Bull here. I'm out this morning. I'm gonna harvest some peppers. My peppers are looking really sweet, and I think they're time to come off the plants. So let's go harvest some peppers this morning. I was just looking. Look how nice my watermelon patch is looking right now. I have a whole bunch of watermelons on there, but they're little teeny little babies right now. But they won't stay that way. This is a food forest, baby. That's a real nice pepper right there. Now, this is the pepper of all peppers. This pepper right here was sucking up nutrients like crazy. Now, we got a whole bunch of other peppers on here, but they're little. We'll wait for those to get big. We'll give that one a couple more days. And this one over here, a few more days. I could harvest some tomatoes right now, but I'm not. I'm gonna just leave them on the vines for right now until I'm ready to do something with them. All right, guys. So this is my pepper harvest for right now. The pepper plants are just loaded with peppers, but they're small. We gotta wait for them to get like this. Look at this guy here. And these are the ones. These are regular size store peppers, right? In case you need to get a big giant one like this. You all take care. Have a wonderful day. Much love.